I was going to the doctor for a long time, and because I was having cough all the time. I was coughing, and the doctor said, yeah, take some medicine. So the doctor's prescription was all kinds of medicine for my throat because I was coughing, all the time. I'm not non-smoker, and yeah, after some time, the doctor gave up. He says, I have no idea why you cough all the time. And sometimes the solutions, as a designer, you have to think outside of the box. And sometimes the solution comes to you by other people that care about you, that think with you and open that black box and think outside of the box with you, for you. Sometimes it's very good to find, to search, to keep searching. And so, as you can see, the solution was not a medicine for the throat cough. What seemingly is a clean floor, if you do a wipe, this is a new cloth. There are all kinds of brands that do this, but essentially you want a dry cloth that has all kinds of microfibers that grasp the kind of invisible. I have a pretty small room, but in my work room, and still after a sweep, you would be surprised what otherwise would go into your lungs and eyes, what can be caught. And if we investigate, and this is just, there you go. This is our catch of the day. Clothing fibers from your mattress, pieces of sand and dirt and hairs, all stuff. And I have a pretty small workroom, and that's a new one. And that's what happens in a week or two in a small room. So you will not see these particles, but if you clean it, it will show that it was worthwhile. And sometimes even the best doctors have no idea where the actual root of the cause of the matter lies. And it's really awesome to think outside of the box and find cure in different areas, and that will take the problem by the root. And naturally, when this solution was provided to me, by somebody who has no doctor's degree and whatsoever, but when I used this, sure enough, my perpetual coughing stopped immediately, because no longer these things went into my lung, and I have found a way to clean and to not let these dust particles be inhaled and sit inside my lungs. As well as I have less eye fatigue, because I need to clean my eyes much less often, because the stuff is caught in this way. And sometimes the vacuum cleaners can't do it, because the vacuum cleaner sucks on one end, and on the back end, if you have noticed it blows with a high pressure. The air that is sucked in, it blows on the other end. So it's like the vacuum cleaner throws the dust back into the air. Especially if you depends on what kind of filter. But even with the best HPA filters, the vacuum cleaner tends to make such a air pressure that the dust kind of escapes and goes into the air. But by gently and slowly swiping the floor, this is dry, these are dry, they capture a lot of stuff. I hope this helps you. Subscribe if you think that this may be value to you or your loved ones.